Wow, what an amazing night. Every songs are awesome. But sadly, only 10 songs will qualify to the grand final and perform again in here. The first qualifier is Korea Democratic People's Republic of. The second qualifier is Palau. The third qualifier is Brunei.
Take her out in your fancy car and make out in the rain. And when she rings you up, she know where you are, but I know.
The fourth qualifier is Indonesia.
Somewhere along the way, we're all running in a crazy race, never thinking about the hearts we break. And as our home starts fading away, things are never gonna be the same.
The fifth qualifier is China.
Losing control, 내가 왜 이러니? Hurry, boy, 너를 원해. Kiss, baby, hush, baby, 좀 더 가까이.
The sixth qualifier is Turkmenistan.
Все это мои чувства, одновременно радостно. И почему-то грустно.
The seventh qualifier is Laos.
I get up, I'm running with lions. I'm running with lions.
Wow, there are 10 countries left, but only 3 of them will get the final tickets. Then, the 8th qualifiers is Timor-Leste. The 9th qualifiers is Macau.
再去琢磨都太迟了，手心肉的牵连早已没有用了，应该失去灵魂的空壳，换不服。
The 10th qualifier is. The last qualifiers is Korea Republic. Congratulations to every finalist, and don't give up for the non-qualifiers. See you again in Grand Final.